Hey everyone, it's Bruce Watson at Watson Chiropractic, your chiropractor here in Manteca. What we've got today for you is a video of how quick and easy it is to get in and out the door for an adjustment here. It's 100% drop-in. You never have to have an appointment after the first visit. The first visit is scheduled, but what you're gonna see is the daily visit after that. And you're gonna see a few people checking in at our front desk kiosk. It's the same as what you do at Safeway or going to a gym. You type your 10-digit phone number in, hit enter, that lets the system know you're here. And then we just direct you back to one of the tables and you get adjusted and you're on your way. And so that's what you're gonna be seeing today. So I hope you enjoy it and be well. Appreciate you coming by today.
Hey, no problem. How are you?
Good. Good. Get you checked in. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's start right here. Take a breath. All right. Oh boy, we're gonna do the drop table today. Let me have you take a breath here. Oh. Breath. And again, breath. And last one, breath. Perfect. Okay. Yep, it's pretty tight in your low back. Let me have your face and do this way first. Breath. Ah, good. Come on over on the other side for me. Alright, big guy breath. Good adjustments. Come on over on your back for me. So pull there. Yep. Okay. Perfect, and drop that shoulder.
Yeah.
Oh, and those are perfect. All right, you're all set there.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect. All right, we'll have you just come on back. Good. How are you today? Okay. So we're going to start right there. Take a breath here. And all the way up. Ooh, good adjustment there. Okay. Usual suspects in your low back. Let me have you facing me this way, lying on your side, please. I'm going to bring this up to the rest of your head on. Just like that. And then I'm going to have you just like that. Take a breath. And all the way out. Good. Come on over on the other side. And just like that. Take a breath. And all the way out. Oh, that's perfect. Try to drop on. I'm sure you're feeling that one. Just try to let your head fall. Good. Now open up that nerve flow to your ears and eyes and nose. All right. That's what you needed. You're definitely due for a tune-up.
Thank you.
Perfect. Then don't forget your glasses. We're gonna start right here, take a breath, and all the way up. Ooh, tough adjustment, but we got it. Okay, same spots in your low back. Go ahead and face me this way, please. Line on your side. Just like that. And have you bring the shoulder out. Take a breath, please. And all the way up. Perfect. Come on over on the other side. That's the kind of release we want. And just like that. Take a breath. And all the way up. Okay. Come on over, back. Adjustment there. Perfect. All right. Thanks for coming back. You're all set. Okay. Breath here for me. And all the way up. That released well today. Okay. The usual. Go ahead and face me this way. Line on your side, please. Have you just like that. Take a breath. And all the way up. Whoa, hold on. We're gonna try that one more time. All right. Tough adjustment. Breath. And all the way up. We're gonna bring that leg over. Ah, got it. Okay, breath here. Just up that leg. And all the way up. There we go. Oh gee, it's not the easy adjustment. Okay, right there. A little tight up top, not too bad today. Bring your chin up for me. And relax. Perfect, and one more. That'll keep you healthy for the weekend. You have any baseball this weekend?
No.
Okay, we're gonna start right here. Take a breath, and all the way up. Perfect. Still pretty tight on that right side, but not better than it was. Go ahead and face me this way, line on your side. Up. And take a breath here. And all the way out. Good. Come over on the other side. And breath here. And all the way out. Perfect. Come on over on your back. Okay, a little tight. Suspect. Perfect, and one more. I drop that. Alright, man. You're all tuned up for the weekend.
Alright, thank you.
We'll see you next week. You're welcome. Sure, let's see.
I think it was like a couple weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, yeah. Okay. So, what you're gonna notice is when I check your spine, it's probably gonna be almost the exact same adjustments, but I'm going to check your spine first. So I'll lay your face down. You'll feel when I push on those, what are called subluxations or misalignments, they're going to be a little more sensitive than the normal areas. Yeah, just like before right there, right?
Yeah.
Take a breath here. And all the way up. Ooh, perfect. Okay, yeah, and you can feel right there and right there. So same exact spots. Come on up on this side. Those muscles, tendons, and ligaments, just pull it back to that same pattern. So lie on your side for me. Thanks. This leg's bent. And it gets you to bring that shoulder out. Take a breath here. And all the way out. Just let that leg fall. Gotcha. Perfect. Come on over on the other side. Hey guys, I'll be with you in just a minute. You guys can check in if you want. Just like that. Take a breath. And all the way out, just let that leg fall. Nice. Come on over your back. top. This one's not too bad, but we certainly need both. Just try to let your head fall. Perfecto. You're tuned up for the weekend. All right, man. Cool. You're all set. Good to see you again.
Yeah, we'll be back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The headaches are definitely less.
Right on.
Yeah, thank you.
Little thing that makes a big difference, man.
Yeah.
That same spot.
Right there, yep, same spot. Take a breath, and all the way out. Oh, that released well today.
Yeah.
All right, let's start right here. Take a breath. And 2 more breaths. Last one, breath. All right, Seth, go ahead and face me this way. Take a breath here. Good. And I'm going to get you just a little different. Take a breath here. There we go. Never easy. Oh, that's not too bad, but yep. Spot up top, right?
Yep.
Ha. That's the one.
Oh, there we
We're
go.
gonna see if I can get you to relax a little better here. There we go.
There.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, Sarah, breath here, please. And all the way out. Good. Okay, facing me this way. I'm on your side. Just like this. Take a breath here. And all the way out. Boy, tough one. Went a little bit. Okay, this one should be a little easier. Just like that. Take a breath. And all the way out. Good. I saw you. Might be at 27. That's a tough adjustment today. Alright, you should end on an easier note. That's one. Drop that shoulder. Alright. Those are good. They're all set there. Relax forward just like that. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna start right there. You can feel it's pretty tight up top there. I can see your lane. Certainly a little tilted, so the same adjustments there as usual. Take a breath. And let it all the way out. Perfect, and then lying on your side facing me, please. This leg's bent. And take a breath here. And all the way out. Oh, good adjustment. Okay, come on over on the other side, please. This leg's bent. And I'm gonna have you just bring that shoulder up. Breath. And all the way out. Ah, started to go on the setup. That was easy. One on your back, please. Okay, you can feel right up top. That's your tight spot. You certainly need an adjustment down low too, so just let your head fall. Good, that was easy. Drop that shoulder. Perfect. All right, you're all set?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I can't even watch her get a shot. So.
Well, that's a different thing.
Yeah.
This is a lot easier than that. So yeah, just have a seat there with her kind of.
This way?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, nice.
Okay. is all okay, but there's just one little spot right here.
I knew something was wrong with
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah.
So now just go ahead and you sit with her back. Yeah, laying on her back.
you. Like that?
Yep. Perfect. Hi, beautiful. Oh, look at those eyes.
Gorgeous girl.
Okay, so we're gonna get her to just relax.
It's okay.
Just get around her. That's it. Oh, that was so easy.
Sit up. Yay!
Big fan, big fan.
Yay!
That was so easy.
Say thanks, Bruce.
Oh, you're welcome.
Say thanks.
Thanks for coming in today.
Of course. Say thank you. Say bye. Bye.